Hello, it is the 1st of November, and I'm so excited to share with you what I have received in my Ipsy Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, as well as this month's iconic box. And just to let you know, I am an Ipsy partner. I've been a partner for a few years now, but before I was a partner, I was actually purchasing these items on my own because I think that it's really important for somebody who's in the beauty industry to be in the know, and I really stand by the fact that Ipsy does an amazing job of putting together independent brands as well as brands that are very well known into these boxes. And it's just a really great way for me to learn about products as well as recommending products to my clients, friends, and loved ones. So without further ado, I will show you what is in this month's box. So before I begin, I'll let you know that this month there is a glam bag that I'll be showing you, Glam Bag Plus, as well as the iconic box, which is something that is specifically curated every quarter by a mystery person. We'll find out together who that mystery person is. And let's see what is inside this month's glam bag. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. By the way, these bags are perfect for when you are traveling. And if you are a minimalist like I am when it comes to makeup, specifically makeup because I just don't have a lot of time, these bags do an amazing job of like fitting what you need on a weekend. And then you really get to know what you need and what you don't need, which I think less is more. So we have 5 travel size products. First Day Beauty is one of my favorite brands. There is this bounce boosting serum from First Aid over here. Then from Anastasia of Beverly Hills, this looks like it is a clear lip gloss. I love this. I love a clear lip gloss. I mean, it kind of like is a little bit old school for me, but I love that because it just reminds me of my love for lip gloss, which is kind of how I really started loving makeup when I was like a tween. I used to have like lip gloss that had glitter in it, which I loved, but just like the gloss. So this makes me really happy that this is in. Then we have from Love Craft and Beauty gel eyeliner. I think it might be, let's see, what is the name of the color? Searchlight, I think is the name of the color. And then we have from Commodity Juice. I think that this might be, yes, it's perfume. So let's see what the perfume smells like. Ah, cute. It smells really, it's smelling like citrusy, floral. Really, I feel like I've smelled this before. It's really amazing. And the thing about scent is that it will transport you to like, it'll give you a memory, which is really fun. And then last but not least, we have this water cream from Wander. Okay, so now I'll show you what is inside. Sorry, that perfume is just like smells so amazing. What is inside this month's Boxy Charm by Ipsy? Which I think I actually accidentally said Glam Bag Plus. This is not the Glam Bag Plus. It is Boxy Charm by Ipsy. And I will not go back and edit that because that's my perfectionism that will be coming out, and she's going to take a step to the side so that I can like move on with this video. All right. So now that I've gotten this box open, I love the little newsletters that come with this box. I just love it. I love the color. I love reading what's inside. The theme is glow off this winter, which, if you know me, I am all about glowing, glowing from within, glowing from without, just glow. So here are 5 full-sized items. First one is from Iconic London Lit Luminous Baked Highlighter. Let's see. Iconic London is one of the brands that I really love because of Ipsy. Oh, that is just so beautiful. Well, you can see that. Let me swatch that. See, put that on. I don't have a mirror, so I can't really see what I'm seeing, what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the next item is from Ren Skincare, Radiance PHA Exfoliating Facial. Again, radiance, glow, it's me. Okay. From OPV Beauty, Skin Gold Primer. If I can open this. Do you think it's gold? I don't know. Will I be able to open this? Like, let's see. I would be that person who's using my pendulum to try to open stuff because my scissors are somewhere down there. Somewhere. Oh, here they are. Here they are. I don't have to break my pendulum. Okay. All right. Let's see. Ah, it is delivering. It is. Oh, it smells so good. You can see that. All right. It's so beautiful. All right. So the next thing is from Bare Minerals. And fun little fact about Bare Minerals, it is the makeup company that I first used when I was doing makeup on people. So I started working in a salon doing hair, and the salon sold Bare Minerals. And then there I found myself doing hair professionally and then also doing makeup using Bare Minerals. And so every time I see Bare Minerals, it just brings me such good memories of that time. All right, this is mascara. All right. Called Maximist. Let's see what that brush looks like. Oh, that's going to be good. And you know, Bare Minerals has really come a long way because they used to only be like loose mineral makeup, which I loved because it provided a really beautiful, like natural look. And they've just really expanded, and it just is amazing to see them grow. And last but not least, Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Liner. And this color is Dusty Rose, which is a really beautiful color. This is definitely a color that I'm going to be using. So you can see that. There you go. So that is this month's box. And now we will be opening together the Iconic box. Any guesses of who curated this month's box? Any guesses? Any guesses before I open it? This is the box. And there are 8 full-size items in this box, which is amazing. Amazing deal to me. Who is this? It is Lisa Vanderpump. She look familiar to you? Let's see what is in this box. A lot of things. Okay, so there is Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. See how it smells like this? Amika and their branding and how colorful they are is just it stands out. It smells good. And then the products also smell so delicious. Okay. Next up is, of course, Santorini grape, clay, BHA, and AHAs or AHAs. Let's see. So this is a pore detox and clarifying. So it is a skin mask. Volcanic skin reset mask. Can't wait to try this. Glow Recipe, another brand that I did not know about until I started getting Ipsy. And this is Essence Toner, Cloudberry Bright Illuminator formula. Effectively brightens, smooths, and even skin tone with this lightweight essence toner. So you would put an essence before you would put your moisturizer to just like really lock in the essence. And then we have Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser from Dermalect. Go. Experience the non-stripping deep clean your skin needs, featuring amino acids, antioxidants, and botanical brighteners to provide a perfectly pH balanced, gentle exfoliation coupled with a hydrating, softening rejuvenation for all skin types, and it's sulfate free. Okay, and then now we have from Dr. Babor, hope I'm saying that right, Awakening Eye Cream. Eye cream is really important, especially if you have puffy eyes or if you are aging, because the skin under the eyes, it needs moisture, and it really helps to moisturize under the skin, because if you're wearing concealer throughout the day, if your under eyes are not hydrated, it will cake up. Take that from a makeup artist. So make sure that the under eye area is nice and moist, and it will also help with wrinkles, but we'll get into that different day. From Laura Mercier Caviar Eyeliner. Let's see what color this is. I love Laura Mercier. I love it. Ooh. Really pretty. Color. See what the name of the color. Oh, Dark Plum. See it here. Sometimes grays, greens, dark plums are so nice to use instead of black liner, because it just adds a little bit of softness, but enough intensity. You know what I mean? Okay, we have from LYS Beauty, Speak Love. I love LYS Beauty because they always have such beautiful names for their products that really embody self-love. The Moisture Matte Lipstick. It's called Sincere. Like, how cute is that name? If I can open it. If I had to complain about something, I would sometimes complain about like how hard it is to open products from boxes. I don't know if I'm the only one that's just like incapable of opening up boxes. I mean, I get it. I get it. You're trying to make sure that your product is not damaged upon arrival, but sometimes it's hard. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this is. This is like really cute. Oh, that is going to look so beautiful with that liner over here. Look at that. I think I'll go ahead and put it on now. It's so pretty. This is like, I'm very impressed. This is beautiful. And last but not least, we have this eyeshadow palette from Tarte. I love all of these brands. So most of these brands I know in this box. Some of them I don't, and I'm excited to try them. Okay, Tartelette Juicy. Oh my goodness. Thankfully, I have this so I can see how my lips really look like. Pretty. Here, the colors. It smells really good too, by the way. Let's see if I can try some of the colors over here. I think I'm going to try Orchid, which is this color over here. Or should I try this one? So I'm going to try Orchid, and then I'm going to try Dream Chaser. So, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in. I love using my fingers because that really helps to deepen the connection within, and it kind of takes it from being automatic. I mean, I still use makeup brushes, obviously, especially on clients, but I just feel like quick, easy, you really want to connect with yourself. Fingers are great, you guys. It's just a great method to use on yourself. So pretty. And it also sometimes helps to pick up the product more or better. I suppose I should probably do the other side, right? Because that would look better. Oops. Let me not drop anything. I also happen to have glitter from last night. Dressed up as a fairy. I dressed up as myself. This Halloween, I dressed up as a witch, and I also dressed up as a fairy. A witch fairy makeup artist. Okay. And let me tell you, without using any primer, these eyeshadows have done a really good job of sticking. It's really pretty, and it matches my outfit somehow. Okay, so there you go. You guys, that was this month's glam bag. First bag that I worked with. The second one was Boxy Charm by Ipsy, 5 full-size products. And then the third one was the quarterly iconic box with 8 full-size products. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I showed today. If you have any questions about the subscription, I'll also leave details about how you can become a monthly member in the description box below. And yeah, hopefully I will be doing more of these. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I do this each month. And I just thought, hey, why not show it live and in person? Well, not live, but you get what I'm saying. To my people and talk a little bit while I'm doing this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And please make sure to save, subscribe, share this with somebody that you may think may be interested in knowing about skincare, makeup, having a conscious relationship with all of these things, beauty things, because I really believe that this is just a piece of the puzzle. This is all fun, but when we move from unconsciously applying these things in our lives on ourselves, and we consciously apply our makeup, and thankfully brands like LYS, Love Yourself, are getting on board, and they're realizing how much self-love and how important these rituals are in our psyche. I think that that's where we're headed. And if you think that somebody needs help on this journey, please send them my way. I would love to work with them. I would love for them to follow me, or you to follow me. And I cannot wait to see you again soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.